Drawing. Hello, tiny artists. Today we are at the Royal Salon. Let's learn how to draw Princess Annabella's sparkly pink nails. Are you ready? Let's trace the forms. Use your black marker to draw the fingers, the toes, and a cute nail polish bottle. Can you count the fingers with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time 4 details. Let's add pretty little bows and cute hearts. Princess Annabella loves bows. What details do you like on your nails? Coloring. Almond. Pink. Base color. Let's paint with a beautiful, bright pink. Look at the nail polish bottle filling up. Plim, it matches the little pink hearts. Shine and shadow. Let's add a little bit of soft shadow to make. The nails look real. And a tiny white line for the shine. Look how volume happens. Wow! Look at those magical, glittering princess nails. They are shining like diamonds in the sky. You did an amazing job today. Tell your parents to subscribe to Princess Design Academy for more step-by-step art. Bye-bye, creative princesses!